Welcome back, students. In previous video we have discussed on R.K. Narayan's background along with literary background and awards. He bagged number of awards including Sahitya Academy, as well as he became member of American Literary Club, and he especially used fictional town called Malgudi in his literary work. And also we discussed on plot summary. In plot, earlier we saw Raju become a railway Raju, then tourist guide, as well as assistant manager of Rose's dance, and also at last point we discuss he became a saint or sadhu. Let's see. Since he does not want to return in disgrace to Malgudi, he decides to stay in abandoned temple close to the village. There he plays the role of sadhu to perfection, delivering sermons and discourses to the villagers and solving their day-to-day problems and disputes. When did he become saint or sadhu? He used to preaching to the people or villagers, and also he tries to solve the day-to-day problems and disputes. He is having great experience with himself. That's why he tried to solve the problems or disputes of the villagers. So let's see another point of plot. Soon there is a famine in the village and villagers at fast in order to make it rain. Soon there is a famine in the village and villagers as a fast in order to make it rain. There was famine, that's why everyone wants to get rain, but unfortunately there was famine. Famine means dushkal. Raju confesses the entire truth about his past to Velan, who had first discovered Raju in the temple and had developed a complete faith in him like the rest of the villagers. Soon there is a famine in the village and villagers a fast in order to make it rain. Raju confesses the entire truth about his past villain, who had first discovered Raju in the temple and had developed a complete faith in him like the rest of the villagers. Velan is another most important character who had come to the Raju and he discussed with him a personal problem and he resolved it. That's why he also introduced to the villagers. He is a saint, he is a sadhu who knows everything, who solve the problems of us. Let's see next point. The confession does not make a difference to Velan and Raju decides to go on the fast with media publishing his fast. A huge crowd gathers his fast. So now Raju, as a saint, as a sadhu, he decides that I will not eat any food till the getting rain. So he asks to the media, I will do it and rain will be getting very soon. Let's move another point. In the morning of the 11th day of fasting, he goes to the river side as part of his daily ritual. He feels that the rain is falling in the hills in the distance and sats down in the water. In the morning of the 11th day of fasting, he goes to the riverside as part of his ritual. He feels that rain is falling in the hills in the distance and sags down in the water. Last point of this novel. The ending of the novel leaves it to the reader to guess whether Raju died and whether it rained. This is all about the novel. It is a summarization of novel. I think you go through the text, you will be find number of things in detail. I have just tried here to get an idea about the novel. I will repeat here. This is a very simple and interesting novel of R.K. Narayan. He has used Malgudi as a fictional town. It is all about the story of the guide. Now we are going to discuss about the characters. There are number of characters. They are playing a vital role in the novel. We have already found 3-4 characters in previous discussion. Number 1, Raju as a railway Raju, as a saint, as a manager. Then Rosie as a dancer. Next one is Marco, and fourth one is Velan. These are the character came across in previous video. Let's see who are playing a vital role in this novel. Important characters. Number 1, Raju. He is a protagonist. Railway Raju, a fake saint or sadhu. It is a sympathetic symbolic figure. I will repeat. Raju is a central character, a protagonist. He is also known as Railway Raju, a fake saint or sadhu. It is a sympathetic symbolic figure. Next character is Raju's father. He runs a shop. He is a good father along with a strict person. So he wants to always do good thing in his life, and he tries to get positive thing to the Raju. Let's see. Another one is Raju's mother. Raju's mother helps him. She also wants him to live away from dancing Rosie. She leaves and goes to her brother's house. This is all about her mother. Raju's mother helps him. She also wants him to live away from dancing Rosie. She leaves and goes to her brother's house. Next character is Gafur, who is a taxi driver, a friend of Raju, and he drives a taxi. He is a taxi driver. He takes tourists to various places in Malgudi. Next character is Joseph, takes care of Marco and others in the guest house of the Mimpy Hills. Remember, this question will be asked in the examination. Who is Joseph? Joseph takes care of Marco and others in the guest house of the Mimpy Hills. He is a take care of Mimpy Hills house. Next important character is Rosie, is a heroine of this novel. He is again most important or major character of this novel. She is a dancer and educated, good looking, helpful, respects her husband Marco. She loves Raju. I will repeat. Rosie is a central or major character of this novel. She is a dancer and educated, good looking, helpful, respects her husband Marco. She loves Raju. Another most important character is Marco. Marco is a professor of history. He is a professor of history, an archaeologist. He studies cultures of India. Remember, he studies cultures of India. He visits Malgudi and its historical places. Remember, it would be asked. He visits Malgudi and its places, its historical places. Next character is Mani or Mani, the secretary of Raju, when he becomes the manager of Rosie's dancing programs. She is main concerned with the book which Raju hides it. Is Mani who tells Raju in prison that Rosie has left for Madras and lives independently. I repeat, Mani, the secretary of Raju, when he becomes the manager of Rosie's dancing programs. She is main concern with the book which Raju hides. It is Mani who tells Raju in prison that Rosie has left for Madras and lives independently. This is remaining characters. We are discussing about important characters from this novel. Let's see. Velan, a villager from Mangal, a village. He plays a vital role in the making Raju the criminal into Raju as a saint. Velan plays a vital role in the making Raju the criminal into Raju as a saint. He is a simple, good-natured and helpful to other. Next character. There are number of characters. It is minor characters in this novel. Raju's teacher, boys in the school, the cattle grazing boy whom Raju abuses, friends of Raju's father, the station master, the potter and his son, passengers, customers, tourists, the caretaker of Julia House, Albert Mission College students, audience, the lawyer, the public prosecutors, the DSP, the villagers, Raju's uncle, doctors, foreigner, etc. This is all about the important characters. So today we have discussed on about the guide. The guide is a popular novel of R.K. Narayana. This novel is written in 1958. So this is very important novel for us, and you go thoroughly for objective purpose. I have discussed here most important factors related to this novel. In previous video we discussed about the author, his awards, his literary works, as well as plot summary, and also we discussed on the important characters. So this is all about the novel, and I will make an objective test for you whatever I have covered here, and also I will include other things, and you should go through the detailed reading. Thank you. Have a good day.